In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the tears of joy emoji to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Including this emoji is a simple way to add personality, lighten the mood, and keep your audience engaged. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If it isn't already open, search for it on your device and launch it. Once PowerPoint is up, choose the presentation where you want the emoji to appear. You can open an existing file if you're updating slides, or create a new presentation if you want a clean slate to work with. With your presentation open, click inside a text box where you want the emoji to go. If your slide doesn't have a text box yet, that's easy to fix. Go to the top menu, select Insert, and then choose Text Box. Click on the slide to place it and adjust it to the exact spot you want. Keeping your text box selected is important here because it tells PowerPoint exactly where to insert the emoji. Now it's time to bring up the emoji panel. On Windows, press the Windows key and the semicolon key at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the emoji menu, which includes a wide range of symbols and faces you can insert directly into your slide. If you don't see it right away, make sure your text box is active and your cursor is blinking inside it. When the emoji panel appears, scroll through the options until you find the yellow face laughing with tears of joy. To save time, you can also type the word joy into the search bar at the top of the panel. As soon as you see the tears of joy emoji, click it, and it will instantly appear inside your text box. If the emoji looks too small or too large, adjust it just like regular text by changing the font size. You can also resize or move the text box to position the emoji perfectly on your slide. Consider aligning it with your text, placing it near a headline for emphasis, or using it alongside a key point to add a touch of humor. A little goes a long way, so keep it tasteful and consistent with your overall slide design, and that's all it takes. You've successfully added a tears of joy emoji to your PowerPoint presentation. Small touches like this can make your slides more expressive, memorable, and enjoyable for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.